talaga ang difference ng scaling and concrete spalling. When you talk about spalling naman, ito naman yung mga weak concrete, most probably less than 2,000 PSI. And then, yung spalling mo ay nagpupulbos yung taas. Every time na tanggalin mo, nagpupulbos siya. Ang concrete scaling ay normally, you have a good and sound concrete. Alright? So meaning, nasa around 3,000 PSI siya, possible more than 2,500. Okay? But, yung pinakataas niya ay may natatanggal or meron ka nalang mga aggregates na naiwan. Around 1 to 10 mm. Ayan. The easiest and the most cost-efficient way of solving this problem is using build-right CONFIX EC. Okay? So, CONFIX EC is basically a combination of mortar and epoxy. Na after 14 days, after application, it will cure up to 7,000 to 8,000 PSI. Ayan. Well, you can apply it directly to scaling, but sometimes, kailangan nyo ng mag-chip off ng konti dahil may mga loose pa or gusto mong medyo ilubog pa ng konti, of course, feel free to do so. So, ang thickness range ng CONFIX EC is around nasa minimum 1.5 mm to 10 mm.